today we're looking at how to install an Alarmsense sounder base. For any Alarmsense sounder base or sounder beacon base, the zone wiring will be terminated in these connections. And that's how you wire any Alarmsense sounder base or sounder beacon base, and then you can fit any Alarmsense detector. Today we're looking at how to install an Alarmsense sounder base or sounder beacon base with a cap. For any Alarmsense sounder base or sounder beacon base, the zone wiring will be terminated in these connections. If you're not fitting an Alarmsense detector, but instead fitting a cap, then you will require a wire link between the outer ring terminals, L1 in and L1 out. If you don't fit the link, then you will get a head removal fault at the fire alarm panel. Next, fit the cap. The cap has a locking mechanism in the form of a grub screw. Fasten the grub screw using a 1.5mm Allen key until it is flush with the cap. And now the cap is securely fitted. And that's how you fit a cap to an Alarmsense sounder or sounder beacon base. Thanks for watching, and for more information on Alarmsense, visit our website.